Homemade lavender lemon cake. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Multi Recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we have a delightful treat for you, a homemade lavender lemon cake. It's the perfect blend of floral and citrus flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. So, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, zest of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and line 2 8-inch round cake pans with parchment paper. Step 2. Sift dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 3. Infuse with lavender. Now, grind the dried culinary lavender to a fine powder. Step 4. Cream butter and sugar. In a separate bowl, cream together the softened unsalted butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Step 5. Add eggs and lemon. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, add the lemon zest and fresh lemon juice. Step 6. Alternately add dry ingredients and milk. Now, we'll alternate adding the dry ingredients and the milk, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 7. Add vanilla extract. Add the vanilla extract for that extra layer of flavor. Step 8. Bake. Place the pans in the preheated oven and bake for 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 9. Let cool. Once they're done, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, our lavender lemon cake layers. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Now that our cake layers are ready, it's time to think about frosting and assembly. In our next video, we'll show you how to make a delicious lavender lemon frosting and put this cake together. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe Multi Recipes and COOKERIES channel and turn on your notifications so you won't miss it. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking! Good luck with your lavender lemon cake video.